Hello folks, this is Don Cloud from Cloud Financial with your July 2015 educational update. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for the required disclosure statement. This last month has been volatile. Greece was again at the center of the headlines last month as the country edged even closer to financial meltdown. On the domestic side, second quarter earnings season kicked off, giving investors a clearer picture of how companies did last quarter. Earnings season came into focus in July, and the picture so far is just so-so. The energy sector is dragging on overall earnings growth because of low oil prices. The results tell us that a lot of the weakness companies experienced in the first quarter stayed with them in the second quarter. Will U.S. firms be able to shake off the doldrums in the second half of the year? It's hard to say. With the European and Chinese economies still struggling with growth and the commodities market sagging, the global demand picture doesn't look too strong. Domestically, the economic picture is looking optimistic. Hiring is increasing steadily and wage growth is edging upward. We also got our first look at second quarter GDP, or gross domestic product, which showed that the economy grew at 2.3% last quarter. While economists had predicted higher growth, it's still an improvement. The Federal Reserve met again in July, and though no interest rate changes were announced, the central bank reiterated its intentions to raise rates this year. The Fed cited improvements in the job markets in support of its intentions, through future decisions will still be contingent on future job gains and additional economic reports to be released throughout August. Now, are expectations baked into stocks and bonds? We don't know for certain, but the Fed has been telegraphing its rate play for months now. So we hope that markets won't overreact when rates finally start to go up. So how fast will rates go up when they do? We don't know how fast the Fed will start raising rates, but everything they've said thus far tells us they'll move cautiously and keep an eye on the data as they go. Now, how soon will your credit card rates go up? Well, that depends on your card, but it might happen in the very next billing period. Looking ahead, investors will be looking for earnings surprises and gauging expectations for the third quarter. The economic picture is pretty mixed up right now, so investors should remain as defensive as possible in these uncertain economic conditions. Remember, in retirement, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep that makes the difference. We will be keeping a close eye on the data in the coming weeks. And as always, we're going to keep a close eye on the markets and we'll update you as necessary. Well, that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. If you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below or visit us on our website and submit your question on the Contact Us page, and we'll do our best to get back to you as quickly as possible. Until next time, this is Don Cloud with Cloud Financial signing off for the month of July 2015. And please remember that nothing we've talked about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094. We'll be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services are offered through Precision Capital Management, an SEC-registered investment advisor. The firm only transacts business in states where it is properly registered or is excluded or exempted from registration requirements. SEC registration is not an endorsement of the firm by the Commission and does not mean that the advisor has attained a specific level of skill or ability.